Okay, I connect the printer with the USB. Okay, now I go to browser, I search MF3200 driver. Yep, we have this printer over here. Then I click on drivers and downloads. Okay, for Windows, I click on select and I click on download. Okay, it's downloaded. I click on open file. Yes. I can probably close the browser. Then I go to device manager, so I search it. Device manager. Alright, so over here I have other devices, MF3200, and I also have Canon MF3200 series. So for these, I just need to right click and click on update driver. Then I go to browse my computer. I go to downloads, and this folder that is downloaded and extracted inside it. So I click on OK. I click on next. It installs the driver. Okay. I click on close. Yeah, so imaging devices, that means the scanner is installed. Now I need to go to this one, software devices. I do update driver again, browse my computer. The folder is selected here, so I click on next. It installs the driver. Okay. So you can see that the printer is here. I do the same thing for the fax. So I right click, update driver, browse, the folder is here. I click on next. It installs it. Alright, so we have it here too, and that means if I go to printers, printers and scanners, I should be able to see the printer over here. Yes, I have the Canon MF3200 series. So now let's open up the PDF. Okay, I click on print. There we go. I have it in the list of printers. Canon MF3200. Now let's click on print. Yeah, it has started. Yep, it's spooling, and yep, the print is happening. Thank you so much.